Hello, welcome to Darkwater. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Tenable Knives Anomaly. Normally I would do an unboxing, but I did the unboxing today during the live stream. So we're just going to do a quick overview of stats and just get some impressions on it after being able to mess around with it for the last few hours. Let's get started. So I just saw that, actually I just heard of Tenable Knives about the last month or so. And I really wanted to get a Prometheus, and then I ended up getting a concept Prometheus, and then the other model, the Nesmet, I can't even remember what it's called off the top of my head. That one's been out of stock on Amazon, so lo and behold, this one came available, and I was able to get on the pre-order. This is a really cool knife. Let's get it firing and let you hear how she rocks. I really dig the color combination on this. It's like denim micarta, blue Tanto, really deep fullers. There is another version of this that is more of a rounded blade. I'm not going to say a drop point because it's not a drop point, but anyways, it's a non-Tanto version, and it is a trailing point on the other version. But it just doesn't have the same character. These beautiful lines on here, the fullers. And this version had the frag pattern on it, which I truly love because it's I truly love the frag pattern because it's very grippy and provides just excellent traction in the hand. So I have no idea how the other models would be. I'm sure they'll be just fine. But for me, I really wanted the frag pattern here. Some quick specs on the Anomaly. We have an overall length of 7.29 inches, a blade length of 3.14 inches, a handle length of 4.15 inches, a blade thickness of 0.12 inches. The overall weight is 3.07 ounces or 87 grams. The blade is a Tanto style trailing point, double fullered. It is black washed Nitro V. It comes with a deep carry pocket clip. The heads are not recessed. There is no jimping on top. There is no jimping on the flipper. Now, it operates, but I've misfired it a few times. If I could make a suggestion, would be just to add a little jimping on this, because this is very rounded, as you can see. That way that blade looks, I mean, it looks like I've been using it for a while, but I've maybe flipped it 20 times. But just a little jimping on here would make this over the top. I recently got back into Tantos, and when this popped up, I had to have it. Let's do some size comparisons with other popular knives. This is the Anomaly compared with the Civivi Elementum. Very close in size, but I actually think the Anomaly is lighter. At least that's the way it feels in hand. And compared to the Kaiser Escort, which is another Pinkerton design, it is actually a little bit smaller. Actually, I'd say it's quite a bit smaller. And compared against the Vosteed Hedgehog. There is a big difference in size between these two. Thank you for checking out the Tenable Knives Anomaly with me today. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you would, leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.